Hey, it jumped because my time ran out on the other video. So it jumped right there. So the rest of this, here we go. 1 times stuff is stuff. I like that. By the way, we should ought to be boxing in our answers. Whoops. Now, I don't exactly like this setup, but it is what it is. And I really don't like X's and Y's put together, but it is what it is. So, notice what I'm doing. X times XX. I'm going to make different colors for all of these because this one is really confusing. That's a plus. I'm going to leave that separate since there's no X here. Now, real quick, I'm going to go back and I'm going to clean this up. Now, is that some nasty crap? Uh-huh. It is. Now, that's a 2y and an x squared. A y and an x squared. Oh, right here. Minus 2x squared and a y. Huh. Well, that's kind of nifty. I like that. So I wonder a y and an xy. A y and an xy. X and a yy. So y squared. Hey, that looks like this. So negative 2 times positive 2 is minus 4. So, hey, that works. And now, a minus and a plus, that's a minus. 2 times 5 is 10. A y, okay, a y and a yy. So that's y cubed. Ain't that some nasty crap? Oh, hey, that all went away. That one's beautiful. 5 minus 4 leaves 1. I can put the 1 or I can leave it off. It's up to you. I don't like putting more than have to, so I ain't gonna do it. And you can't make me. I'm just saying. And that is my answer right there. Will it take the 1 if you put it here? Yeah, it will. Number 5 is on the factoring handout. It's called the difference of squares. And I like the difference of squares. It goes like this. A plus B, A minus B, except the only difference is I think it's the other direction, equals A squared minus B squared. So I could FOIL this out if I wanted to. I really could. Because you see A, B, plus minus. Or I could do this shortcut right here. So this shortcut called the difference of squares will save you a ton of work. So 3x squared is the same thing as 3x times 3x. Then we put minus 7 times 7, or 7 squared. So 3 times 3 is 9. And I do it this way because you'll square the 3 or you'll square the x, but you won't square both of them usually. So x times x is x squared. And 7 times 7 is 49. I like this problem. It's so nice. And then comes number 6, which looks the same. Plus minus 1/4. Oh, crap. 2x and x. I can't do it. I can't do the difference of squares. Dang. And it's got a fraction. Let's don't work with fractions. I don't like fractions. And I'm pretty sure you don't like fractions either. So let's turn it into a decimal. I like decimals. So 2x times x, 2 times 1 is 2, x times x is x squared. Gotta FOIL. 2x times 0.25, and that's a plus. So 2 times 0.25 tells me 0.5, keep the x. Let me change colors real quick. Negative 0.5 times x, so minus 0.25x. And then minus, and then 0.25 times 0.25 is yuck, 0.0625. And guess what? Your math program will accept your decimal answers. So 0.5 minus 0.25 is 0.25, and it's positive. Remember to keep the x. And that is your answer on that. Now, number last. Let me change colors. I'm not actually going to do this problem, but I am going to set it up. When this says squared, what that means is, remember, just like 7 squared means 7 times 7. So when that has a binomial squared, that means you take that binomial times itself, and then you FOIL. You take that times both pieces, and then you take -3 times both pieces. And then you combine your like terms and simplify.